Hi, my name's Nina Tonga. I'm Tongan, born and raised out in East Auckland, and I'm the curator of Makeshift, the third annual Tautai Contemporary Pacific Arts Tertiary Exhibition. Now, Makeshift is the showcasing of 10 senior tertiary Pacific artists from 5 Auckland institutions: ELAM at the University of Auckland, AUT, Unitec, Whitecliffe College of Arts, and Manukau School of Visual Arts. Makeshift as a title really came from ideas around the nature of tertiary art practices, the way that they would take materials that we would see from the everyday, things that we probably wouldn't consider as high valued, and craft them into some amazing pieces of artwork. Now, in terms of this show, it really offered many different trajectories, and there wasn't necessarily a connective running theme. And that in itself became the theme, this idea that Pacific contemporary experience is quite varied, it's urban, it's also very dislocated, and I really wanted to try and gauge that and capture that in an exhibition. Now, Makeshift explored a number of different themes that often converged in more than one artwork, things like memory, identity, place, public and private, global and local. And these themes were sort of tossed around between all of the artists, and it really, for me, showed me where it was at for Pacific artists, that it was about this very varied experience, something that was quite rhizomatic, and that there wasn't necessarily one central root place or one place to sort of plant your roots, but it was quite decentered in that they were drawing from many different aspects of contemporary life.